Good morning. It's Thursday and welcome to Faye. Actually, it's not Thursday today for me. It's a Sunday and unfortunately, it's a working Sunday for me. So yon. Good morning. I figured that what I do today, kasi hindi ko alam kung if I have time to shoot, is I'll give you, sabi kasi ng mga students ko, suggestion ni Potluck, mag a day in the life bit ito ako. So today, it's Sunday, it's a working Sunday. So dapat naka-duty ako in for Kids Church, but I have a shoot. This shoot is sobrang gulatan. As in, biglang dyan, meron daw pala kaming shoot. But it's so exciting because I'm working with Pia Words back today. So, yun. So, it's a Sunday. It's 5:45. And right now, I'm just heating my water. And then, I'll take my warm water. And then, I'll prepare to run. Gusto ko yung artista ako, may lapel mic ako. Parang feeling talaga. Kasi yung pangit pag nagkakaproblema ako sa phone ko, so hindi ko alam, parang minsan pangit yung audio. So, mura lang naman siya sa Lazada. So, might as well, diba? So, yun. So, now, I'm gonna, so, yun. So, now, I'm gonna take my warm water. So, every morning, I take my warm water. So, take my warm water every morning before I run para ma-activate yung aking insides, no? So that's what I do. So isa sa mga nakasanayan kong gawin while I'm putting on my socks, while I'm drinking hot warm water is I post Instagram stories. Wala lang, nakakatawa lang. Feeling celebrity lang, ganun. Feeling micro-celebrity lang ang pek niya. So now I will post on IG stories. Wait lang. Daming ganap, no? Good morning. Kita niya naka-mic ako kasi nagvo-vlog ako. It's 5:46 and it's 5:46 at medyo ngayon pa lang ako nagme-medyas. Ngayon pa lang ako nagwa-warm water. So, good luck to me. Init. Good morning. Yun, ganon. Kita niya? It's 5:46 and it's 5:46 at medyo ngayon pa lang ako nagme-medyas. Ngayon pa lang ako nagwa-warm water. Good morning. So today I decided to do my vlog kasi Sunday na tapos wala pa akong content for next Thursday. So sabi ko mag-day in the life ako. So nag-day in the life ako ngayon. So ngayon tingnan natin kung ano yung sleep score ko. Kagabi tulog ako before 10 and I woke up at 5 sakto. So my sleep score is sirato si Mi Band. 3 hours 10 minutes lang daw ako natulog. 16 sleep score ko. Abnormal ka ba? Hanggang 5 ako nakatulog. I-edit ko to. Wait lang. So, ayan. Na-realize niya yung kabalinto na ang ginawa niya. Na-realize niya 7 hours ako natulog. So, ang sleep score ko last night is 81. Improving. Natulog ako 9:43. I woke up at 5:05. So, ayun, we're ready to leave the house. 6:04, sobrang late na, but wala tayong magagawa. Kami talaga ang life, no? Nakulimlim, in fairness. So, yon. Tatakbo na tayo. Naka 3K na. So, I'm heading back home. Bibili muna ako ng saging sa 7-Eleven for my shake. Walang tinging saging. 20 pesos lang dala ka. So, pero baka meron pa ata akong isang saging sa bahay. So it's 6:44. I have to go back sa house kasi 9 a.m. call time ako. So now I'm gonna do my apple cider vinegar mix, and then I'm gonna drink that. And then while I'm drinking that, I'm gonna read my Bible devotional. So this is my morning ritual after I run is I drink my apple cider vinegar and then I read my Bible devotional. I'm using Holy Bible, a U version. We have to learn how to guard our hearts and yet at the same time be vulnerable to those who pull in close. Nagsain na ako ng black rice kasi cooking show, maraming tukso. So magba-black rice na ako na saing. So kung nakita nyo, nilagyan ko na siya ng asin kasi nagpapanik ako baka mamaya hindi siya maluto so basta hanggang ngayon naghulaan pa kami ng black rice kung paano siya i-perfect na iluto. But so yun, dapat ideally I soak it in water before I cook it. Kaya lang nakalimutan ko siyang isoak kanina habang tumatakbo ko. So ayan, nagpapanik ako. Kakatch up episode ako sa kanya. Dinamihan ko yung tubig. Tapos nilagyan ko ng asin sa ibabaw sa takip para lang sure. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ginagawa yun. Pero ginagawa ko. Marami akong mga bagay na ganun. Hindi ko alam ba't ko ginagawa. Pero ginagawa ko pa rin. So may food naman sa set. Pero mas minamabuti ko na makapag-baon ako. Mas gusto ko nagbabaon ako. Kasi mas okay yun eh. Kasi nga diba, I'm trying to lose weight. So, nagbabawas ako ng kinakain ko talaga. Ano ba ito? Ba't nawala yung takip ng cream cheese? Ano ba tong anak ko? So, finally, naubos na yung apple cider vinegar ko. Now, it's time to make my shake for the day. Baka makaisang shake lang ako ngayon kasi ayoko naman maging KSP sa shoot, diba? Cute na lalagyan ko ng ice, no? So every morning I take my breakfast, and this is my breakfast. It's a protein shake from Herbalife. So this is wild berry and dulce de leche with 1 piece of banana. It's roughly around less than 200 calories. So it's 7:48 and ito maglalagay na ako ng aking skincare na paubos na. Oh my god, paubos na siya.
Start natin mga wrinkles na. Relax yung lahat ng tunay. Contingency, pag wala ka nabok ng grab, dapat may na akong grab na nabok.
So hopefully, I'll try to book Grab papuntang Makati. Hopefully, sana. Kaya ako nagmamadali kasi kailangan ko ng ng contingency. Pag wala ako na-book na Grab, dapat by 8, meron akong Grab na na-book. So, sana dahil linggo, meron naman, hassle. Oh my God, they found me a driver! Ah, thank you, Lord. Fundamental Kitchen. Ito na. You've arrived. Siguro. Ito na. So, nandito na ako sa Fundamental Kitchen. There you go. Pero, wala pang tao. Tapos, closed pa daw siya. So, inaantay ko yung crew and with everybody. So, it's in Metropolitan Avenue. Medyo memorable tong place na to kasi dito ako, my first years ng working spent here. As in, very racket levels dito. Dito si Astromedia, Electromedia, well hindi at saka Magong actually. Pero dito is Filmex, I know. Ano yan? Unitel. Yung Unitel. So, try na natin pumasok. Ito po siya, fundamental kitchen. Basta pala. Ayan pala siya. So, nasa location na ako. At wala pa si Joyce. Ang tagal na. Joyce and everyone else. So, dumating na sila. Ayan na po yung director ko. I'm vlogging today, ha? So, ito pa ang Team FLM. Siya po. Ba't ang liit mo? Ilang taon ka na?
32 na yan.
18?
32 na yan.
Liit-liit mo ang grade 6. So, Frank, anong gagawin natin today?
So today we're gonna be doing a cooking show with Faye over at it's gonna be a 5-episode taping day. And it's gonna be with Magnolia Chicken and PLDT.
Oh, grabe. Hindi ako sponsored ng Magnolia and PNDT. Ano? Meron akong nakita dito. Ayan o, si Noel.
Hello po.
Si Jeff po.
Hello
Jeff,
po.
what are you doing?
Naghihiwa po ng onion.
Hiwa siya ng onion. Ayan po, ayan. So, siya yung gumagawa ng milagro sa lahat ng bagay. So, Direk, when do you use the skater dolly? This is for my TV prod class.
Okay, so we use the skater dolly when your space is too small and you're on top of a table. So it's easier to get ingredient shots.
Wow.
When there's it's gonna be more moving rather than your
Wow.
typical top shots.
Sir Bangga. What can you say, Charles?
Yeah. So Chef Boy, before we start with everything, I want to make sure that all the ingredients are correct, diba? And the process is correct. So, ang ano natin is, si Pia talaga yung you will guide her. So the scenario here is basically Pia is a home cook and you will make it professionalized because there's no more. Okay? Okay? Let's get it on. Okay, out music muna, yung nandun.
So, iniwanan ko muna yung taping sandali para pumunta dito sa may balik-balik sa Healthy Habits Hub Nutrition Center for my weight loss challenge. So, ngayon nila i-announce ko sino yung nanalo sa weight loss challenge. I'm keeping my fingers crossed.
Nakapula or naka-blue, ang pwede manalo ng 10,000 for tonight. Yay!
Maasahan niyo si
So,
So, I'm walking home na. And, kanina, I had to leave the shoot kasi gaya na sabi ko, I went to balik-balik where nag-awarding ng weight loss challenge yung sinilihan ko. Siyempre, nakalimutan kong mag-record. Kanina, habang nasa weight loss challenge, nag-a-announce. But, got 4th place. My total weight loss is 17.3. Tapos yung nanalo, 23 something yung weight loss niya. So, medyo malayo. So, ambisyosa pala ako nung naghangat ako nun. But on the upside, I won the grand raffle prize, which is hindi na masama kasi it's worth like 6,000 pesos. So, kung napansin nyo kanina, parang flesh ako. So, ngayon naka-red na ako kasi required na mag-red ang lahat. Basta kakamadali ko kanina, nakalimutan ko yung red ko. So, bumili pa ako ng red na t-shirt. So, today is May 6 at medyo sad din ako kasi one of my few naging friends sa UST passed away. Taping kami kanina and I had a student on the set. Well, other than Frank, of course, the student on the set, si Dorina, my student, she gets for the client that we had, Magnolia. and we were talking about how, and tapos may sabi niya, I think she was looking sa phone niya, and then she said, Faye, naman siya. Kasi nagbago yung tono niya. Tapos, nagkatingin na lang kami. Sabi ko, hoy, hindi pwede. Tapos, maya, I looked at my phone, and true enough, ayan, nag-text na si Shelo, nag-text pala si Soy Nikki, tapos, nag-message si Migern, tapos, ano siya, I love Au dearly because she's one of the most honest people in EP. Like, super honest people in EP na walang keme. Pag ayaw ka niya. Pag gusto ka niya. I think gusto niya ako. Yan. Sobrang, it's just so sad. But I know she's in a better place. She's been suffering for a long time. And it's just too sad kasi sobrang kulang ng Com-Arts program pag wala siya. Sobrang malaking kawalan siya sa program, and it's so sad, no? So sad. So, there, no? So, that's my Sunday. Today is not the typical Sunday that I have because medyo laid back na yung Sunday ko. So, medyo some kinda exciting ang Sunday na to ngayon. Kasi I had the taping. Unfortunately, naka-isang episode lang ako dahil I had to run to balik-balik for the weight loss challenge. And then, during the taping, I had to hear bad news pa. So, stressful lang linggo na ito. Sunday na ito. So, that's it. So, if you liked what you watched, you know what to do. Subscribe, comment, like, no? And that's it. This is Faye, and see you again next Thursday for Faye TH. Let's go.